Administration announcing just hours ago that it's going to begin shipping vaccines directly to community health centers. The goal, of course, to boost equitable access to those shots. It's something we're talking about tonight on The New Normal with Dr. Chris Pernell. So, Dr. President Biden says we need to rebuild trust within the minority communities. Take a listen to this.
We need to address vaccine hesitancy and build trust in many communities. We know that's the case, for example, in Black, Latino, and Native American communities. People who have not always been treated with dignity and honesty they deserve by the federal government and the scientific community throughout our history.
So the president pledging to carry out a massive public education campaign to do this. So will it work, and what more can the Biden administration do, Doctor?
It has to work. We don't have another choice, and we have to ensure that it works. And what do I mean by that? We can't let up. We have to have a clear, consistent message. That message has to be tailored for communities that have different sensitivities, that have different lived experiences, different historical truths. And I'm going to return to what I was saying earlier. We have to practice humility by validating the fears and the concerns and the skepticism that's across the table, because otherwise we risk shaming those communities. We risk stigmatizing and othering them. And if we don't achieve at least 75% to 85% vaccination, we're not going to get herd immunity. So we don't have any other option other than equity or efficiency. So I applaud the Biden administration for being very honest, being very open and transparent. So this dialogue is going to have to be followed by concise and direct action. And one of those examples is what we saw today, putting the vaccines in those community health centers. And we're going to have to do more of that so that when people are at the point in their decision journey and that they are eligible and they say, I want to get vaccinated, that access isn't something that prevents them from carrying out the action.